I am Poonam Verma, Principal of Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, University of Delhi. We are one of the premier colleges in University of Delhi. Well, this is for the students of Univariety. The process, as far as our college is concerned, since we come under the umbrella of University of Delhi, so the University of Delhi will open up the registration. In this particular year, generally it happens in the last week of April or first week of May. The applications are invited. They need to fill it up very carefully, and then of course they're allotted a center for sitting for the entrance exam. The entrance exam consists of, as I told you, 4 sections. One would be the reasoning ability, one would be English, general awareness, and quantitative. So these are 4 sections given with different weightages. Okay. Then of course, based on the performance and your 12th class result, which is going to happen this year hopefully, would be a combined merit is prepared, and the colleges are allotted according to the preferences given by the students and based on their merit. So both these things are combined, and the admission takes place. This year we do not have interview and group discussion, which we'd had last year. So it's going to be a little different, hopefully. To get admission in this college specifically, because it's a combined entrance exam for the other colleges also which are running this course. So it's a university which is conducting an entrance exam. So the number of applicants would be, considering that there are 4, actually this exam is being conducted for 3 courses. One is the Bachelor of Management Studies, the other is the Bachelor of Business Administration and Finance and Investment Analyst, and the third is a BA Honours Business Economics. These are the 3 courses for which a common entrance exam is held. So the number of applicants is nearly about 20,000. So in our college specifically, we admit around 240 students for these 2 courses in all categories, including the people with different abilities. There are some set of foreign students who also get admitted. Then there are children of war widows. Now these are supernumerary seats besides the seats that we have. Then we have the unreserved category. Then we have the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and OBC. So in all these categories, as per the constitutional requirement, we have about 240 seats for these 2 courses. About 35% of your academic performance in the 12th, and 65% will be your entrance exam. Okay, so a combined merit of the 2 will be prepared, and based on your preference as well as your this merit rank, you would be allotted a college of your choice. For a student to excel in the entrance exam, you require 2 things: speed and accuracy. Now these 2 things can only come by practicing and practicing. Rather than joining a coaching institution, they should focus on, get some sample papers. They're all available on the net. There are books available. Simply just practice them, time yourself that within this much time and what is your accuracy, because again negative marking is there. So once there is a negative marking, then you have to be very careful in what you are ticking as a correct answer. To be able to crack the entrance exam, of course, there is one section on general awareness, and as I said, reading newspapers is very important. So what's happening in the business world is very important. The terminology is being used in the economic political world, that's very important. So you need to be certainly well aware of your economic, political, social environment. Just 1 month of focused practice of these sample papers is good enough. No coaching institution is required. And just when you finish, because generally our exam is held in the month of June, later part of June, and students generally finish by April end all their exams. So you have nearly 1.5 months. So for a couple of days, just chill and then get on to with 1.5 months of focused practice on these sample papers is good enough for you to crack this exam.